Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'd like to introduce the main material nodes from among various material nodes. Let's begin! Let's start! This is the node that's placed in the default state. If you want to add a new one, press Shift plus A and select Output, Material Output from the context menu. It will be the final information output of the node that has been built, so it's required when building a node. Most of the materials are pasted on the surface of the object, so if you connect it to surface, it's basically okay. Shaders are the base of materials. Here you can make basic settings for materials such as color and roughness. Items that can be set differ depending on the type of shader. The various data set here are put together in output, and then connected to the input part of material output. The shader placed in the default state is Principal BSDF. This shader covers all the setting items. Because there are many setting items, it may be a little difficult for beginners. Mix Shader allows you to mix information between shaders. Connect the outputs of two shaders to the input section of Mix Shader. In fact, you can set the rate of mixing two shaders. Finally, I'd like to create a gradient with nodes. First, use the material output and then use diffuse BSDF for the shader. Here, I want to set color of diffuse BSDF to the gradient color. But in here only a single color can be set. I'll add a new node and connect it to the color input of diffuse BSDF. The texture node is used to set a color. Here, add texture, gradient texture. We'll add color nodes from here. Set the output of the texture to a factor. We need to convert the factor to color, so insert a converter node in between. In the converter node, you can change numerical values such as factor into color information and color information into numerical values. Here, add converter and then color lamp. Color lamp converts the input factor information from 0 to 1 into color information. And now you can adjust the color of the gradient as you like. This is the end of the lecture on material nodes. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.